So it's 2023, almost 2024, and everybody wants to be a content creator. You just don't know where to start, what apps to use, what equipment to use. I got you. Keep on watching.
Diamonds from her in the back. Hit that little bitch from the back. Just that. At me like, how I do that?
Hi guys, my name is T'aime and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I do content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and obviously now content creation. So if that is something that you would like to see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The first thing I'm going to tell you is to just start. Whether you have an iPhone 10, which is like mine is completely broken, whether you have a camera, whether you have whichever phone you have, just start. That's the best advice I'm going to give you. So first we're going to talk about equipment. The first thing I would say to get is a phone, and always film with the back camera on the base settings of your phone. That just makes sure that your content is the most crisp and the best quality that you can get. I'm not saying get an iPhone, you can have any type of phone. I'm not saying you need to have the latest iPhone. You have to have an iPhone, just have a phone and film on your back camera. The next thing I would then suggest is that you get a tripod. I got this baby. It is quite a long one. You can adjust it. I got this one off Takealot. I think it was 400 rand. It really is a good tripod because you can take this setting off. This one, it doesn't come with the tripod. This is actually for my phone, but then there is a setting for my camera that I can just screw in, and there I have a really long camera tripod as well. Another thing that's really important is lighting. I am sitting in front of a window right now, and that is why the lighting is going in and out. Actually make it darker. Hold up. So for lighting, I am sitting in front of a huge window right now. Usually natural lighting is the best to film. For me specifically, I do try to get the most out of it, but I do work a 9 to 5. So in instances where I don't have this lighting, I have to be out of the door. It's the morning, it's the evening when I'm filming content. I do have a ring light, which I can't find now, but I also do have these studio lights. So these are the studio lights. I have 2 of them. However, those are more on the pricier side. So if you do want to invest in your content, definitely look into getting soft boxes or those other lights. I'm not sure what they are called. It's kind of screen lights. Those ones are really good as well. Now for YouTube, obviously you can film on your phone, again on the back camera. If you don't want to be able to use your phone while filming, I would definitely suggest looking into getting a nice camera. I know the Canon and Sony brands are infamous for their vlogging cameras. I am using and filming off of a Sony ZV-E10 with standard lens and a mic right now, and I also have it on a mini tripod, and I showed you guys the longer tripod for editing purposes. Because the clips are a bit bigger, you can edit it off your phone on CapCut or InShot, whatever app you want to use, but I do suggest getting a hard drive. So I have this Toshiba hard drive. This is a 2 terabyte if I'm not mistaken. It literally just makes my life so much easier because my laptop is not that big in size, and my phone also. So for editing off my MacBook Pro, as you can see, my hard drive is still in here, and then I edit off CapCut or iMovie, and it is both really easy to use. Now let's talk apps. So for pictures, I always shoot off my iPhone 14 Pro. I do always shoot from the back camera. I do alternate between the normal photo and the portrait mode. Again, I make sure that I'm in really good lighting. If not, I use my softbox lights. For my picture editing, I definitely go in with my Lightroom. So on Lightroom, it's really nice because you can save your presets. For example, you want all your pictures to look the same, you can just save your preset. Let me just show you guys. So you're gonna go into Adobe Lightroom, and the nice feature on Adobe is that it's a feature called masking. It's a new feature that only came up now, but it was really easy to use. So what the masking app does is that it literally cuts out whichever object you want to put focus on, whether it's yourself, whether it's an object, and you can just focus and edit on that specific object. So that's what I do. Mostly I just play around with lighting, here and there, but Lightroom is my #1 app that I use for editing my pictures. Now for my shorts, my reels and my TikTok videos, again I film off on the back camera. Always, always, always. Sometimes I do use the TikTok app to film, depending on how I'm feeling. And for editing, I edit off CapCut and InShot. Those are my two favorite apps. I know a lot of other people use different apps. Those two have worked perfectly fine for me. It's really a no-brainer. You don't have to think that much about the content. As I said in the beginning of the video, just start, pick up your phone, start taking your videos, edit it. The more you edit, the better you'll become at editing. So yeah guys, that's all you need to start your creator journey, to become an influencer, content creator, YouTuber. It's literally as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know if you'll be implementing any of my tips in your videos and your content. Also let me know if you enjoy this type of content in the comments, because I will be responding to each and every one of the comments. And if you want to see more of this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified every single time I post a new video. Okay, bye. Love you guys.